Hi there, good evening. I'm meteorologist Kellyanne Chicalise. Getting a little cooler for us tonight. We'll see a few spots moving into areas along Route 2 and north, dropping into the 30s. So through the Merrimack Valley, through much of New Hampshire, it will be a little cool tonight. As you move closer to Boston, low to mid 40s in downtown Boston, just about 49, closer to 50, moving down toward the mid to outer portions of Cape Cod and onto the islands as well. Beautiful sunrise tomorrow morning. Soak it in. We'll see plenty of sun for the first half of our day. There will be a few clouds painting that sky in the afternoon, but by no means is it a cloudy day for us. Temperatures will manage to climb their way into the mid 60s for Boston. A little bit of a weak sea breeze keeping us in those mid 60s along the immediate coastline. So a little cooler than average. Our average high is 66. But as you move inland, we'll make our way toward the upper 60s for your Sunday afternoon. So overall, very mild, very fall-like feel to the air as we move through your Sunday. Now we are keeping an eye to the tropics. We have Tropical Storm Gamma, and this is one that is very slow moving. So we're concerned for some flash flooding issues, perhaps some mudslides trying to form, moving down toward the Yucatan Peninsula, perhaps even stretching down toward areas of southeastern Mexico and Central America as well. This is one we'll be tracking through much of next week. It is a slow mover, and those are the type that really produce a heavy amount of rainfall. We have other systems that we're watching, other disturbances we're watching in the tropics. One that's a little bit closer to the Caribbean that has a better chance of formation. We also have two other disturbances a little bit farther out to sea in the Atlantic. So getting a little more active down that way. For us, our next shower threat is moving in on Monday. That is going to be moving through with just a bit of a cool down. Notice things do warm up to near 70 on Wednesday with our next shower threat approaching. Drying out for the later half of the work week into next weekend, but things are going to cool down just a bit. And a little bit of a preview of that rain to move in as we move towards Sunday night to Monday. Clouds on the increase. Notice those showers approaching early on Monday morning. They will stick around, but in a very broken form for the afternoon on Monday. We're not talking about a washout here. This is something that will be generally pretty light and also scattered through much of the area. For Storm Team 5, I'm meteorologist Kellyanne Chicalise.